Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to do a quick get ready with me, which is featuring my eyebrows. I wanted to show you guys how I groom my eyebrows and this new eyebrow product that I really love, and I decided to do a video on it to share it with you all and put you guys on. So basically what you see me doing now, I'm trying to groom my eyebrows. I haven't groomed my eyebrows in months, so them kind of look like the wilderness up there on my face. But it's pretty easy for me to groom my eyebrows because I can clearly see the shape that I want on it without outlining it. I'm sorry if this video is not very helpful for beginners. I really just look at my eyebrows and look at how I want them to look, and then I just shape them according to that. So I'm not sure how I can tell you guys like what tips or tricks I can actually give you guys when grooming your eyebrows. Just look at your eyes and look at what you think will complement your eyes. I feel like how I groom them is how they naturally would grow out of my face. And I think it came out pretty good. I think I do a good job at grooming my own eyebrows. So the product that I wanted to introduce you guys to, if you guys have not been introduced to it before, is the Loreal Unbelievabrow. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you have used this product before and tell me how you like it. But I got this at one of my local beauty supply stores, and I got it in the shade black, I believe. I got it in the darkest shade because I like dark eyebrows, as you can tell. Yes, I got it in the shade black. So what it is a long wear brow gel. So they're actually claiming that it will last 93% longer. It is waterproof, smudge proof, it doesn't transfer, and it's sweat resistant. So if you are going to the beach, you can do up your eyebrows, go in the water, and you're fine. It won't come off. It doesn't smudge when you put your hands over it. Like, try to rub it off. It doesn't smudge. It dries fast when you apply it though. So that's one tip right there. It dries fast. So I feel like the applicator is easy to use in my opinion, but it did come with a spoolie and an angled brush, so you can use that to apply it if you're not very comfortable with the applicator that comes with it. So if you go to the gym, you can do up your face and your eyebrows, and you don't have to worry about your eyebrows moving because it is sweat resistant. And I have been using this for 1 week now, and I must say I really like this product. I feel like this is the best product I have used so far when it comes to me grooming my eyebrows. I did use concealer underneath and on top of my brows because I really like that type of look. But if you're skilled enough, you don't have to wear it with the concealer at all. Like, trust me, this brow gel literally cut my brow routine in half. Like, I seriously had to say that because I just really like how this thing look on my brows. So I also wanted to give you guys just a quick get ready with me of how I wore my makeup that day. I wasn't sure about my brows, to be completely honest. I really wanted to put on some makeup to see how it would look, and I really like it. So that is basically it for the video. Let me know if you like this video, and if you have used this product, let me know if you like it also, and give me a thumbs up if you like videos like these. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.